Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can buy Roblox Plus subscription. So to do this, first you want to open the Roblox. You want to go to their official Roblox website and sign in to your account. Next, you want to click the Roblox icon in the top right corner and then select on Buy Robux. Next, you want to scroll down until you see a Roblox Plus. Here you can check the subscription price and the benefits included with the plan. Now you want to select the Roblox Plus subscription that you would like to purchase. Review the details before continuing. Next, you want to choose your preferred payment option. Now, depending on what's available, you may be able to pay with a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Now you want to enter your payment information and review your order. Now when everything looks correct, click on Pay and Subscribe. Now wait for the payment to finish processing. Now once purchase is complete, Roblox Plus should be active on your account.